how to change currency on TikTok Shop. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, to be able to change the currency on your TikTok Shop, all you need to do is to change your address on your TikTok. So if you click on address over here, there will be an option for you to be able to add or change your different address. So you could add an address over here, meaning you could add an address information wherein you are from a different country, such as Thailand over here. You click on save and then just enter the different information. You should be able to save that and have your profile be recognized as someone from Thailand. So your currency over here should change as well. If that doesn't work, you should create a new profile wherein the location of your profile is not located in the specific country that you are currently in, but in the country that you want the currency to have or to be with. So that's the two ways that you will be able to change your currency on TikTok. So make sure that you are able to change your location appropriately to the currency that you want. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.